Now we're going to install our new seals. Install your seat with your L gasket into your back plate. Set that on your impeller shaft. Install your rotating seal. Lubricate your O-ring. Install using your spring seat to seat your O-ring. Once that's seated, remove your retainer. Install your tab washer, aligning your tabs with the slots on your seal. Install your spring seat, lining your tabs as well. Compress. Tighten your set screws. Install your secondary tab washer, aligning your slots with your seal retainer. Then install your O-ring, lubricated, and your secondary rotating seal, lining your slots. Make sure your O-ring is seated. Check for movement. Make sure your O-ring is in place. Install over top of your seal assembly, lining your bolt holes with the back plate. With your seal housing installed, we're going to install our retainer and seal seat. Line your bolt holes. Install your bolts. Install your shims that were on the pump previously. Take your impeller assembly, slide onto the stub shaft. Make sure it's seated. Now you're going to install your impeller nut. Tighten with an impact. Now we're ready for our casing O-ring. Before you install your casing, verify that your flush board holes are aligned with your adapter. Install your casing and your casing clamp. Once your clamp is installed and tight, check your impeller for rotation. This concludes the Type 4 double seal on the Waukesha 200 series centrifugal. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.